Today I'm here with a new topic, and that is in case if you're getting any startup error like Explorer.Exe with an explanation mark, you can see here on the screen. If you're getting this kind of error message in the Windows startup on Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10, so I will let you know the solution how you can fix this error message from the Windows startup. So to fix that, we need to access the Windows registry. So let's open it here. We need to press Windows R and the run command. A dialog box will appear on your screen. Type here regedit and then hit OK, and it will open up the registry editor for you. Now we need to go here, current user. Under current user you need to access the software. Now under software we need to look for Microsoft. Here it is. Then we need to look for Windows NT. We need to go down here, Windows NT. Now we need to go to the current version. Now we need to look for Windows. Here it is. Once you click on Windows, you have some strings entries here in the right hand side. We need to go here and this one, the load, and then we need to just remove it, delete. So this is the confirmation. Yes, we need to delete that. So once that entry has been removed, then you can close the registry editor and close everything from your computer, and you can just restart your computer and your problem has been resolved. So this is the solution for the problem if you're getting Explorer.Exe blank message on your Windows startup. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.